guys, I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today I'm gonna share my version of chicken liver pate, which pretty much is the basic recipe. Chicken liver, a pound, about 2 yellow onions, butter. I have 6 tablespoons of butter, little salt, black pepper, bay leaf, and I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme here because it gives nice flavor. And I like to add a little bit of bourbon or whiskey, whatever you have at hand. So here's probably 1/4 cup, and I might use all or half of it and drink the rest. I'm gonna melt a little bit of butter, about 2 tablespoons in our skillet. Right now I have it on medium-high, and just toss all the liver here. Pepper, might need more. A little bit of salt. Liver is looking good. We're gonna add some onions, bay leaf, thyme, red pepper. Put the lid on, turn the heat down on medium-low, and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes covered. Okay, let's check. 20 minutes later, onions are getting nice and soft, but they still need more time to get even softer and kind of disappear. Time for bourbon. Let's pour all of that in here. Let the alcohol evaporate a little, and then we can put the lid back on and cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. 10 minutes later, they are much softer now, and even though I have to blend them in a food processor, I want to cook them even more until they almost disappear. That's why it's very important to check it all the time and see and feel how they look instead of setting the timer. I'm gonna give 5 more minutes and then they will be ready to go. Forget to take the bay leaf out. You don't want to blend that. And put everything in a food processor. Okay. So we want it very smooth, so you have to pulse it really well. And I'm gonna add about 2 more tablespoons of butter. Beautiful smooth consistency. I'm gonna add a little more butter, 1 more tablespoon. That's it. So total is 5 right now. Perfect. This is a very good consistency. I'm gonna move it in the container and chill it in the fridge for a few hours. And we're back with our chilled chicken liver pate. We got 2 small containers out of a pound of chicken liver and 2 large onions. And I made my little snack here. So over the toasted ciabatta, little spread of pate, and topped with the olives, cornichons, and chili onion crunch that I got at Trader Joe's. When you have guests, it's always better to put everything, all the fixings, chicken liver pate and the bread, toasted bread on the plate, and everybody can help themselves. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm sure there are hundreds and thousands of recipes for chicken liver pate on YouTube. But if you like this episode, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next week. Oh, I'm gonna taste it now. I want to taste this chili onion crunch. That's good. Very good. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.